Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold fall 0.9% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices recorded their sixth weekly gain, despite the OPEC Plus alliance of producers' decision to boost output. The OPEC Plus supergroup agreed to increase its July and August output to 648,000 barrels per day, boosting supply by about 50%. Record inflation in the Eurozone is seen as fueling the European Central Bank's tightening debate at this week's coming policy meeting, where officials are expected to end asset purchases and lay the ground for an interest rate liftoff next month. The US dollar's descent moderated last week as traders shifted back into risk assets, ditching the safety of the world's reserve currency. Still, measured by the DXY index, the greenback remains well above levels traded at just a couple of months ago.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.